All right, BBQ enthusiasts, listen up. Today I'm going to help you BBQ like a pro with the ultimate grilling guide. Let's kick things off with the basics. First up, the grill. Make sure it's clean and preheated. A hot grill sears the meat, locking in those mouth-watering juices. Now let's talk about meat. Quality is key. Go for well-marbled cuts. For steaks, look for a nice, even marbling. That means flavor. And don't forget, always let your meat reach room temperature before grilling. It cooks more evenly that way. Seasoning is next. Keep it simple. Salt, pepper, maybe a touch of garlic powder. Let the meat's natural flavors shine. And if you're feeling adventurous, try a dry rub or marinade the night before. All right, let's talk technique. Direct versus indirect grilling. Direct heat is perfect for smaller cuts like burgers and steaks, giving them that perfect char. Indirect heat, on the other hand, is your best friend for larger cuts like ribs or whole chickens. It cooks them slowly and evenly. Now, the fun part, grilling. Place your meat on the grill and resist the urge to flip too soon. Let it sear and develop a crust. Patience is key. Once you've got those perfect grill marks, then flip. Don't forget to rest your meat after cooking. It allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite juicy and tender. There you have it, the ultimate grilling guide. Get out there, fire up that grill and BBQ like a pro. And hey, if you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more grilling tips. See you next time, Grill Masters.